it is June 10th. We have Totem here. This is also sold locally in Pacific Northwest and was recommended for our area. So it's a medium to large size strawberry. Looks really nice. Has a little bit of I think the bird tried to peck it, but it's still intact. So let's give it a shot and see how it tastes. Come on, baby. Yum, yum. So, sweet tart. It tastes similar to, what was it that I just had? Jewel. Yeah. It tastes like Shark's Bros Jewel. So, I'm undecided about it. It's still only good, not excellent. I'm not so crazy about it, but it's good. It's just, let's see, does it deserve a place in my collection towards the end of the season? But I had it last season, and I gave it another shot this season to see how it does. It's quite productive, but it is a June bearing, and more tart than sweet right now in the beginning of season. So it's still pretty early to see how it does. So let's see if the flavor improves once we get more heat over 80 degrees consistently.